Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a plan with me and I'm going to decorate this week, and I'm going to use the, what's it called, Warm and Cozy sticker set from Happy Sherpa Paperie, and she designs her kits herself, some of them, and I have a discount code for you if you want to use it. It's Joanna16, and I'll link her shop in the description box. So I'm going to show you the kit. I'm also going to use a couple of stickers from this sticker book. So I'll just show you what I'm going to use because I've got a few birthdays and I really want to use her thank you card because I think it looks really pretty. So I don't know how or where or when, but I do want to use it. I'm going to show you the kit now. So these are the icons, really pretty florals. And then I got this. I don't think this is part of, I think this is a sampler. This is the sampler. And then these are boxes with the check boxes. And these are just checklists and things. And I'm going to use these banners and these stickers here. You get the dates, which I'm going to use, and then you get little boxes. I don't think I'm going to use these. Some stickers, pumpkins and things, and the washi tape and little boxes. Definitely going to use the washi tape. I think it looks really pretty design. So then I'm also going to use stickers from this sticker book, which I got from Zulily. And I'm going to use, because I've got a few birthdays coming ahead, I'm going to use the birthday ones. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's start this plan with me, guys. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. It would be great if you considered subscribing to my channel. I film videos about planners and plus size fashion and beauty and lifestyle and Christmas stuff. So yeah, it would be great if you considered subscribing. So let's start the plan with me. So I'm going to start with the washi tape and I'm putting it here. The little boxes are meant for an erin condren, I think, so I'm going to put in these. I don't know if I'm going to use, because I want some white space, I don't know if I'm going to use everything, so I don't know, we'll see how this goes. My planning is never planned, which is kind of ironic. Okay, so I cut the card and I think I'm going to put that there, and I'm also going to put these little boxes, checklists, one at the top and then some down here. Let's see. So I've added the two boxes and I'm going to stick this here as well, somewhere there. I don't mind that there's a little bit of white space, and then I'm just going to add what that's going to be. So I'm going to use my roller glue or whatever this is called. I got this from the Works. Works well. The Works works well. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I don't think it looks that bad. It looks pretty. All right, let's move on to headers, days. Okay, so I'm going to put these at the bottom, and then I'm going to put the washi tape, and then I'm going to keep the rest white. Okay, let's see how this is going to work out. I think I like how that thing turns out here with the card. Always make use of everything, all the journaling things you get. Okay, so at the bottom we have all the little icons, and then we have the washi tape, and then I'm going to leave white, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to put in the birthdays and the things I have to do, and then we'll move on. I want a little bit more washi, so I'm going to create washi tape, a thin, skinny washi tape out of these little tabs. So there you have it, a stripe. I'm going to create another one down here. So the washi on this type was on this page was a little bit of a boo-boo, because so these are skinny little boxes, but these are big ones, so I had to cut them, and well, my cutting skills are not that great, but anyway, it doesn't matter. It's all good. So I've added birthday because I have a couple of birthdays here. So I'm going to show you which sticker book I used. As I said, did I? Yeah, I used this sticker book. It's super cool stickers. And I used this page, and I used these little spidery thingies, which are, I don't know, crackers or confetti or something over there. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to start filling it in, and then I'm going to see if I want to add any more stickers or anything like that on the spread. So what I've done is I've written what I have to do, but then I added some spots so it looks a bit fuller, and I'm going to do the same on the other page. Okay. So, oops, something's going on with my camera. Okay. Was struggling to focus. So we have my spread. I think it doesn't look that bad. So I wrote down my wellness things in the top, and then some of the things I want to get done. I wrote down some of my plans and just put some dots. I don't really have appointments, so I don't use all those appointment things, and I don't write down what TV shows I'm going to watch, just the ones I want to remember. I'm watching the Queen's Gambit at the moment, and it's really good. So yeah, just a close up again so you can see, and that is my planner spread using Happy Sherpa Paperie from Etsy. I hope you enjoy this video. Consider subscribing to my channel for more planner videos and beauty and lifestyle and all those things. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Yasas. Yasas.